Hey everybody, Massachusetts Prepper here. Today we're going to harvest some potatoes just for PapaTexas. Now I'm not sure if we're going to have many potatoes in here. We've got a lot of rain coming, and it's going to be for like the next 5 to 8 days. I know these potatoes are probably ready and I don't want them to rot in the ground, so we're going to go ahead and harvest them. Going to pull up a couple, make sure they're ready, and then we'll take it from there. If they're not quite ready, we'll let the rest stay, but let's go ahead and pull up a few, see what's under the ground. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a trial pull on this one right here. Let's grab that whole thing and pull it up and let's see what we got. And look at there, guys. I think we got some potatoes. There's our seed potato that started this whole thing. So we got some little teeny tiny potatoes, and there's still some more potatoes on there, but I don't want these to rot in the ground, so we're going to go ahead and harvest the rest of these potatoes. Have to dig around a little bit to make sure there's none left.
Wish I brought the wheelbarrow and a good place for a jump. Scare you when you're not expecting it.
Look at that nice night crawler that's in these beds, guys.
Memories revived as I strive to comply. Lost, I have learned to find comfort, though I see her silhouette still. Close my eyes, I need to see.
Now, as y'all can see, this spot where we got these potatoes is pretty small. Let's see if we got any out of. Oh yeah, that one just completely died off. And some nice potatoes, couple. Well, PapaTexas, I know you dug up your potatoes out of that barrel and there was nothing in them. Now my potatoes did not flower, so I'm actually surprised that we've got this many potatoes in here. But I really wasn't sure that we would have any potatoes simply because they didn't flower, and I wasn't sure what they were going to do in a raised bed. But I would say this is kind of a success.
I need
little bit more, but really did not want to push my luck because we're getting a lot of rain and I did not want them to rot in the ground. They can push a little bit of dirt up over the roots of that corn right there. Help hold it in place. So guys, this pretty much takes care of the potato harvest. Mrs. MP is gonna pull that basket up here so you can get a really good look. I don't know how many pounds of potatoes we got, but all in all, for such a small space, I think we did pretty good. As you can see, we got some nice sized ones in here. Pretty good sized potatoes, all in all. These are just right for like a boiled dinner, a stew, something like that. We did get some smaller ones, some little tiny ones. That would have probably grown a little bit more, but hey, all in all, I'm happy with what we got. So there you go, PapaTexas. Mrs. MP and Mr. MP's potato patch, and this is what we got out of our raised bed. Will you survive whatever comes your way? If you have the opportunity to grow potatoes in your raised beds or even your barrels, you just might. This is the Massachusetts Prepper saying,
take care all.